what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets were clear, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and all of the free.
It is now 7:44, and we want to check in with your next weather with Chief Meteorologist Paul Deanno.
It's that trade-off. Yeah, it's the trade-off. If we don't want it hot in the afternoon, often that means we got to push in the cloud cover in the morning, and Mother Nature's doing that right now. Reduced visibility. We are down to 1/2 of a mile visibility in Burbank, less than 2 miles at LAX, and it just dropped below 1 mile in Ventura. So a number of locations dealing with low cloud cover and fog outside, and that is going to help keep temperatures down. This week will be nowhere as warm as last week, but it will still be 10 to 15 degrees above average. How is that possible? Because last week was 25 to 30 degrees above average. Here's Santa Monica, mainly cloudy skies. Here's LAX, mostly cloudy skies. You will get sunshine this afternoon. We're going to be well above average, but no 100s, nothing on this board above 90 degrees. But that 90 in Ontario, a dozen degrees cooler than last week, still 17 degrees above average. Los Angeles, 87 is 16 degrees above average. So the next weather forecast is not as hot coming up this week. Let's open up the weather window. This is our view of downtown Los Angeles. Tons of sunshine coming later today, but not right now. We have mostly cloudy skies to start the day. Next weather headlines. We'll get a push from the ocean every night, kind of like a tide coming in, but rather than water, it's the water in the sky. So we're going to see low cloud cover and fog most mornings this week near the water. Not as hot as last week, but will still be well above average. And the storm track will slowly creep in our direction over the next 7 days. We'll stay dry for the next 7 days, but just know that toward the middle of next week, we could see a few showers. With the cloud cover, very uniform temperatures outside. Even our inland deserts are close to what we have on the ocean side of the mountains. Corona, 55, LA, 59, Malibu, 58, and Burbank, 57 degrees. Dog walking forecast in Corona. You have clouds now. You will have sunshine at 11 o'clock and filtered sunshine this afternoon. Pretty chilly start, 50s, but we'll finish the day once again close to 90 degrees. We have our ridge of high pressure. Two things have changed. One, it's not as strong as it was last week. And two, it's moved. Now it's sitting off to the west. That allows the lightest of ocean breezes to move in. All the rain, all the cloud cover stays to our north, but we will see not as hot weather this week. Next week, when that ridge moves out, you can see wetter than average weather kind of surrounding us to our north and to our east, but we are looking at LA likely staying near average rainfall wise, which is almost zero, but showers are possible toward the middle of next week. This week, the 90s for the most part are gone, replaced by the 80s for the metro area. Lots of mid to upper 80s today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. Valleys, you were above 100 last week, so this is still well above average, but not as hot. Lower 90s from Monday through Thursday. Inland Empire, you were as hot as 104 or 105 last week, so these are still well above average. Every day for the next 7 will feature highs in the 90s. That's weather. Now traffic with Kalyna. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Paul. Happy Monday, everybody. I want to take you back out to the Inland Empire because good news, the SIG alert cleared up on the 60 heading westbound, but I mentioned I saw some red on the map eastbound. We have a reason for that. So let's take you out to the map this morning so you can see the direction that's open. Again, 60 west, we have that signaler there. It cleared in Beaumont at Jackrabbit Trail. Again, lanes now open. Traffic already recovered. Eastbound, though, we have this crash in Beaumont before the 10. Middle lane now blocked off. I have a feeling drivers were kind of looking over to see what was going on in the opposite direction. So now you're dealing with a 40-minute ride eastbound 60 right at Gilman Springs to the 10. It's really slowing down out there, so make sure you leave at least 15-20 minutes earlier to make it on through. We also have some issues on the 215 north at Ramona. Center divider is what's occupied there because of a crash. That is a 7-minute ride from Nuevo over to Ramona. Then you slow down again up ahead. And then, of course, a 91 is slow, 210, and 60 coming off the 15. That's all on the IE. Orange County. No major crashes to report. That's good news, but I still have your usual traffic through Anaheim, usual traffic on the 57 as well. And now I have a new problem in Sylmar in LA, 210 east at Hubbard, middle lanes blocked off, slight backup as you approach. Jamie and Christine, back to you.
Have a great tip or story idea? Maybe you want to share breaking news video. Just text the desk. You can even ask us questions or express concerns about what's happening in your community. Text the desk at 818-221-2222.
Southern California.
We are Inglewood.
We are Westminster.
We are Exposition Park.
We are West Hollywood.
We are CBS LA.
We are yours.